this deep.
Let me see how much is in. Yeah, that's okay.
Yep. So the clay sure. So we're currently having some detergent. Currently.
And you don't do shishi today, yeah? I think it was mommy's fault for that because I forgot to say to you to.
Yep. I'm just filling this up. I'm gonna fill it to the top. Yeah. Right. Yep. So we got some detergent next. Is it just leaving some? Are we just leaving some softener?
You're not recording, is it?
Yes, he is. I just told you.
Am I gonna finish? Are we doing the detergent as well?
No, just the other ones.
Right, so this time we're gonna use is the anti-stain quick. I'm gonna put it at 1200 spin. Yeah, 1200.
And turn it on.
That is on.
I just said press play.
But there's just in 1 hour, but I'm not gonna use the delay timer. This is off, and I'm gonna turn it back on. Yep. Yeah, spin I'll leave it at 1200. So now we're gonna press start anyway. Dad, and you can send that video on YouTube.
Yeah, later. First, finish recording.
Yeah, when it says the storage is full, and then I'll stop it, and then the video will be stopped. So 1 hour. We'll be something in a minute. There we go. That's 59 minutes to go. Do the rinse and spin as well. And do the rinse and spin and drain as well. Anyway. Do the rinse and spin and drain as well anyway. That's quite close anyway. Yeah, just my arms on the way. Anyway. Just my arms on the way anyway. Okay, minutes ago. Oh. I have clothes are tumbling anyway. And it's still watering down the ground anyway. Still watering down to the drawer anyway. Yeah, there you go. And now to close the tumbling anyway. No, close the tumbling anyway. Okay, he's trying to cry anyway. Yeah, he definitely wants something anyway. Yeah, you can see some of the clothes in a way. So I can't see the drum in the video anyway, because the door is quite dark anyway. The door, because the glass is quite dark anyway. You have a look?
No, look inside the video.
Yeah, there you go. You are, quite light in that video anyway. Thing is, you can see the drum now. The drum is quite dark. The name is just up the drawer. Right. Washing to 9 kilogram anyway. Yes, just a full 9 kilogram anyway. When we're doing drying, we do the load in 6 kilogram anyway. For 5 minutes anyway. This I was about 7 minutes anyway. I think I'll make a normal time. In the video might be. I can't remember anyway.
No. No, I'll put this in yours, but I don't think it's Alex or Fernanda, I think. You sure?
Just go for 4 minutes anyway. Spin, and you can see the spin now is at 1200. Yeah, it's going to go up to 1200. And it even says that in the 1000 spin as well. Anyway. Temperature, spin speed, drying, delay, start, eco, key lock, powerful control, no, intended, normal, delicate, program. I don't know when the storage will be full.
You're not going to record in 1 hour this.
No. I'm going to wait till it's 10 minutes anyway, and then I'm going to stop it. The top one is to stop anyway.
No, you press the right button to the left.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Right. I'm gonna do a video in 1 hour anyway. That's what I'm not doing anyway. I'll do that. So I think it might be more anyway. I'm not sure anyway. Anyway. Not sure. Not sure. Just gonna get 5 video anyway. Oh, we'll just go 7 seconds.